Hello and welcome. I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Pillow Cube. I was seeing all kinds of advertisements for this on YouTube, and the current pillow I have is a Tempurpedic pillow and I've had it for probably 11 years and I really like it. And so I wanted to try out this Pillow Cube and see how it compares to my Tempurpedic pillow. Also, this is will be a little bit smaller, and so I could travel with this if I like it. So I'm excited to try this out. So let us unbox it. And I just got the cube. They have a cube and then they have the rectangle shape one. And so I did the cube one, which is supposedly supposed to be perfect for side sleepers. And I am a side sleeper. I have to sleep on my left side. I've tried so much to fall asleep on my right side or on my back or on my stomach, and without fail I have to turn over to my left side. Here it is. Better sleep on your side. There is the Pillow Cube. Pretty cool. And then I also ordered a pillowcase for it. Box is pretty nice. It has some funny slogans on there. Sleep into the future. Dear naps, I'm sorry I hated you as a kid. If you haven't seen the advertisements, I'm sure if you watch YouTube enough, you'll see the advertisements. And so this is a nice, soft, very nice, soft pillowcase. Nice. Cool, stretchy. And this is the Pillow Cube. So they call it a cube, but it's not really a full cube because it's not the same height all around, but it's close enough. Awesome, so that's what it is. I'm excited to try this out. My guess is it's not going to be any better than my Tempurpedic pillow that I already have. That one is like a contoured shape and it fits my neck perfectly. But I'm excited to give this a try. Worth the money, I think, to try it out. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to sleep on it for the next few nights, and then I will report back and tell you what I think about it. So let's put on this pillowcase. The pillowcase snugs up right to it. And so this is going to be awesome. I'm excited to try this. Take off my glasses. Awesome. So kind of the thing that if you've seen their commercial, they say you can use this for naps. You can use it as like a bed, like behind your head or whatever, when you're sitting at the computer. It's a travel size, so easy to travel. And of course, sleeping on your side at nighttime. So you can use it as like to sit down on it when you're doing some kind of like workout or whatever. So a lot of uses for this, but I am most interested in seeing if this allows me to sleep better at night. And so what I will do is I will give it a few nights, 3 or 4 nights of sleeping, and report back and tell you how I like it. Okay, I've had probably 7 to 8 days of testing out the Pillow Cube, and I want to give my final review on it. So again, I mentioned that my pillow that I've used for over 10, 12 years has been a Tempurpedic pillow. It was pretty expensive. I want to say it was like $120. something like that. And I've used it for a really, really long time. And I really like that pillow. And this one was like $69.99 for this size. And then after I bought the pillowcase, it wound up being like $85 or something like that. The other one that they have is like double this size. So it's a longer rectangle. And you can get that, and that's a little bit more expensive. And so my thoughts on this is I do like this pillow. It doesn't necessarily give me a better sleep than my Tempurpedic pillow. But again, Tempurpedic pillow is kind of the same idea. It's just shaped differently. And so I wasn't really thinking that I would sleep better with this pillow. But I do like it. I like the size. I like how small it is. And one thing I don't like is like the edges are kind of sharp is the way to put it. And so right here on your neck, if you look at your neck, it's not like a complete angle, like a 90-degree angle. It's rounded more right there. And so I wish the pillow, at least one side, I wish one was more rounded. Like if this edge was a little bit more rounded, then it would fit a little nicer. And also when you lay on your side, it's not like you're exactly straight up like this. Your shoulders aren't completely straight when you're laying on the side. Usually they kind of shrink in a little bit. And it's more on the side of your shoulder a little bit like this. And so it's not exactly perfect. Like no one sleeps like this. And then like on the side. But I like it. It's very comfortable, and the size is really cool. Like you can just use this for naps. You can bring it around with you, take it on the airplane if you want, and then take it with you to hotels and things like that. And so all in all, I think it's a great pillow, especially if you have like a regular pillow and you've never done like a Tempurpedic or a memory foam type pillow. I think you will like this, especially if you are a side sleeper. I definitely like it, and I've been using it. I'm going to keep using it along with my Tempurpedic pillow. So there's my review of the Pillow Cube. Really cool pillow. Pick one up if you like. I'm not getting paid by them. I'm not sponsored by them at all. It's just a new pillow that I wanted to try out after using my old one or my other one for like 10 plus years. And I do like it. My name is Matt Taylor, and this is my variety channel. Until next time, happy sleeping, everyone.